How to add Google birthdays to Google Calendar. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, you're going to go on the mobile option or phone option of your mobile. Then you have to go on the contacts and then you have to select the contact. Let's say I'm selecting this random contact and then I have to go on the audio option, that is the edit option. Then I have to edit it. As I edit this option, I can add all kind of things, important thing, duration, notes, ringtone. Also over here in the new notes option, I have to write over here birthday date. So if I write over here the birthday date, or if I go to the important dates option and there is an option of birthday, I have to add the date over here. Let's say I add any random date or September and enter done, and then I have to go back into my Google Calendar. As I have given Google Calendar my mobile accounts information or my contact permission, it will be able to set it up. Now I have to go to the monthly view. As I go to the monthly view, then I have to go on the September. As I go to the September option, then over here in the September option, I have to click on the September, and I have set it there on 26 September or 26 October, I think so. I have to go back, and there's the 26 October, 26 August or 26 October. So this is all the things that I have seen over here. You have to refresh it, and after refreshing it, you will be able to get the birthday of that person on your Google Calendar. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.